friends, I have a shopping haul for you, an online shopping haul. If you're looking for eyeglasses, refreshing your look, doing all of that, I found cheap eyeglasses that you'll be surprised at what they look like. I couldn't believe them when I got them in this morning. So let's unbox these eyeglasses for the very first time. So I wear prescription glasses, and I like to have a anti-glare coating on my glasses. And let's just take a look and dive in. So this is how they came. They came in this plastic hard case. You define your look. I love that. Firmoo is the company, the online company. They are a global eyewear company. So they've been around for a long time. Let's unbox these glasses for the very first time. I'm excited to see what we have here. Oh, before something falls out, they have Firmoo, See the World in Better Sight. Their website. Oh, they are in all over the place, all worldwide. And it has, you can see, all the contact information. If you need customer service, chat lines, emails, return policies, 60 days return and exchange, 365-day warranty. Wow, I love that. Let's just continue on. So it says Firmoo, nice soft cloth, microfiber. Let's pull these up. Oh, it says here that this is a cleaning cloth and pouch. 2 for 1. Pretty clever. Let's take a look. Wow, I love these glasses. This is style Judy 135, color C4. What do you think? I think they're pretty great and lightweight. Believe it or not, these frames were only $26.95. I'm in Canada, $26.95 Canadian. Imagine that. They're so stylish. And look at that. It comes with a little diamond on the side, which I can see is removable if you don't want that. They're very, very stylish, very affordable. What do you think? I love this. Well, this is my little review of Firmoo eyeglasses. I don't know about you, but I have to buy a lot of glasses, mainly because I have a dog, and the dog is a puppy, and so it looks for my glasses. It loves finding them. I leave them on my nightstand when I go to bed. I forget to put them away. I have a little drawer I can put them away, but it's just a bad habit. And so she gets a hold of my glasses and starts chewing on them. And so this makes it very affordable to buy new stylish eyeglasses. And to be honest with you, I really do like to change up the look. This unboxing is quite of these glasses, these Firmoo glasses, has been a great thing. So if you're looking to buy glasses or considering to buy glasses online, I can get you 50% off of your frames. Use the link below. I will show it here on the screen as well. Use my discount code and you will get 50% off of your frames. Cheap prescription or non-prescription. I don't see cheap, I see quality. Do you see quality? What is there to lose? I'm getting ready to buy another pair of glasses. And I'm going to use my own code to get 50% off. In less than 2 weeks, I got these glasses. They came in the post. I think they look great. Do you think they look great? What are you waiting for? Buy your glasses on Firmoo website. Check out all the stylish frames that they have available. I think you're going to be pretty happy. I know I am. Thank you, Firmoo.